Hi, in this video today I will guide how to use Visual Studio Code to work with PHP. Okay, so firstly you have to make sure that you have already installed the PHP working environment on this PC in order to run the code of PHP. Okay, actually I have done another tutorial to work with PHP before, and here I will share this link in the description of this video, so you guys can come there and see it if you don't know how to install the working environment for PHP on the Windows PC. Okay, so now let's get started. This is the Visual Studio Code I already installed on my PC here, and on the left hand we have a extension. Click on this one. Okay, and you type in PHP here. So here we have a lot of the extension for PHP, and now I will go ahead to install the PHP intelligence here, or you can also install the PHP debug. Okay. This language server. Okay. And close this one. You can also install the PHP debug. Okay, cool. It's already done installation. So now you should close this one to refresh it. Restart it again here. Okay, and now here I will open the folder which is the working environment of the PHP. I already installed it on my PC, and here the server I'm using is AppServe. You can use the SAM or another working environment tool for PHP. Okay, I will create a new folder here. PHP test. Okay. I will open a folder. Click on the Explorer and click on Open Folder button here, and select the AppServe, the folder PHP test. Select this folder. Okay, and here this folder is empty, so we didn't see anything here. Okay, and now I will go ahead to create a new file. Click on this one, new file, or this one is new folder. Okay, new file, and I will enter index.php, enter. Okay, and here this is the index.php file, and now I go ahead to write the code for this one. Okay, follow me. In this video I will just write something very basically, and I will print out the message and also provide two integer number, and after that I will return the additional of this. Okay, follow me. Okay, here I will have a HTML type. HTML. Have HTML. HTML. Body. This. Okay. And here in this body, I start to writing the PHP code. I have this is syntax of PHP. Okay. First, I will echo hello from Jinbu. Okay, cool. And now I will open browser and try to run it. I have localhost, and here in the when set up the working environment for PHP using the AppServe, I will set the port for PHP 80 and 88. Okay, so here I provide the path of the PHP tag. Okay, enter here. So here you can see now I can see the hello from Chiến Vũ message. Okay, cool. I will back to the Visual Studio Code here. Okay, I declare two variable. I have a num1 equal 2, num2 equal 3, and the total is equal total result equal. I have a num1 additional num2 okay, back to browser and try to refresh it. Here result is 5. Okay, and here I will break it down to a new line. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to use the Visual Studio Code to install the extension to work with the PHP. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.